Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I've got the Clejuso 12r. And we're going to see if the Clejuso 12r can beat the beef, even though it cannot beat itself.
This is ridiculous. I'm sleepy again.
Should have maybe tried this first. You know, that is not the Deadlock's way. That's the double lock. Oh! Now, personally, if I was trying to escape from these just for fun, I would do that. But we have to see if the beef can do it anyway. And it can. So there we go. The Clejuso 12r cannot beat the beef. That's all from us. Now that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. I did it. I did it. 240. That's such a cute
I don't know which one that's for.
What's the end bit for? Like stabbing people. You don't know.
I don't know. I don't know anything about handcuffs.